The next thing that I want you to try with your favorite AI tool is to create forecasts. So the first thing that we are going to try is using Copilot for Excel. So what I'm going to do is position myself inside the data set that we've been using up until now. I will go into the Copilot app skills and I will ask Copilot for Excel to generate a forecast for the year 2024 based on the values of the sales that we have here. So remember, we have data for 2020 to 2023. So we are going to be using those invoices, those sales, to try and create a forecast for 2024. So let's try. So I'm going to ask Copilot for Excel to generate a forecast. So let's take a look at what we got. So it said that a time series forecasting approach will be used to predict the total sales for 2024. The invoice date column will be aggregated by month and by year, and the total sales amount will be summed to create a time series. The data will be checked for missing values and outliers, and then a suitable forecasting model such as Sarima will be applied. The forecast for 2024 will be generated and visualized. So what we have here is an output that we could insert into a sheet that contains the actual sales or historical sales that we have here in this data set. And we have for 2024 some forecasted sales that are presented here. So this is a very good start. What does it say? It says that the chart above displayed the forecasted monthly sales for 2024 based on historical data and the Sarima time series model. The solid line shows actual sales, while the dashed line represents the predicted sales for each month in 2024. So let's take a look here. I'm going to insert this chart into a sheet. And here you go. But it seems like we don't have the underlying value. It's actually an image, a picture of the forecasted value. So that's not exactly what I would like. So I'm going to be a little bit more precise in my prompt to make sure that I get a good result. So I would like to have the actual numbers for the forecasted sales. So what I'm going to do is maybe... So I asked, can I get the forecasted values in a table instead of a chart? So let's take a look at what we get. Okay, so now I have the forecasted values here in a table. So that's what I wanted to get. So I could insert that into a new sheet. And that's it. I got my forecasted sales. But one more thing that I would like to know is how exactly did Copilot for Excel constructed those forecasted sales? Because if I have to go back to my boss and provide those numbers as forecasted sales, I want to be able to explain how I got those numbers. So I can ask Copilot, can you explain how you generated this forecast? So it should explain a little bit more what was the process to get to those forecasted sales.